Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video and unboxing some shoes that I got online. And let's get into the video. Okay, I got these shoes online by Terry. It's by Terry. And I'm going to open them up and show you guys what I got from online. Ooh. Okay, this is my shoes that I got online, and this is really pretty, I think. And I got these footies come with it. Look how cute that is. These footies that came with it, and I think you just put the footies in the shoe. Oh my gosh, and I also got foot pads. These are not foot pads, but these are recommended for my shoe size. But these are foot pads right here. Look at that. And I got another shoe right here. And these shoes I got off online, and I paid like $20, $30 for them. I got them off on Amazon. So I do shop at Amazon quite a bit, and I shop at Temu. Shop Like a Billionaire. If you guys haven't ever shopped on there before, I would recommend for you to shop on there because I got some really great deals off on there. So that's all I have to say for this video, you guys. That's what I got online. And I hope you guys like to subscribe to my channel. You guys take care.